Jason from Fitness Factory. Okay, so today's episode we're going to be talking about what are the supplements that you should bring when you travel. While it is important for frequent travelers to maintain a regular exercise habit, some travelers might find it difficult and wondering what kind of supplements to bring along as they travel. So these are the 3 supplements that we recommend for frequent travelers to bring along. Alright, so for frequent travelers like you, some of you might be missing your meals due to a very hectic schedule. Hence, the first supplement we recommend you to bring along as you travel are meal replacement drinks. So, meal replacement drinks are very good supplements as they are usually highly nutritious, high in protein and fiber, which allows you to kickstart the day off with a very nutritious meal. Alright, so for frequent travelers who actually do find the time to squeeze in a good workout despite your hectic schedule, we recommend you the second supplement in our video today, amino acid tablets. So, amino acid is the simplest form of protein which is easily digestible and absorbed in the body for muscle protein synthesis. Alright, so these usually come in very travel-friendly packages, usually in small bottles, so it's very convenient for you to bring along as you travel. Right. So last but not least, the last supplement we're going to talk about is whey protein powder. So for travelers like you who have a very hectic schedule, some of you might tend to undereat protein, which is very essential to maintain muscle mass or even contribute to muscle growth. So whey protein, some stores actually sell them in travel-friendly packages, so you can actually consider them and bring them along to supplement your workout as you travel. Right. Apart from supplements, a bonus tip from us is that you can bring along these VersaGrips instead of your normal workout gloves. So VersaGrips will allow a more comfortable and effective workout to target the muscles that are intended in your workout. So VersaGrips can be obtained from Fitness Factory as we are the only sole supplier in Singapore. Alright, so thank you everyone for tuning to this week's video, and do look out for future videos regarding travel, tips and guides. Follow us on our social media platforms for more tips on health, fitness and nutrition.